Okay, we're going to go up to my mom. Okay, no, say it.
You say it.
And we're gonna. Shh. Nate, we're gonna ask her to say.
Oh my gosh, let's go.
That. Okay, here we go. Eat.
He's still eating.
So another wiener truck. So another wiener truck.
Here, Mom. What is this?
What is that?
It's a project. Okay. Say this. What's on here?
Alpha Kenny body.
Say it faster.
What's that for?
Say it faster.
Say it 3 times. 3 times in a row.
Alpha Kenny body. Alpha Kenny body.
Again.
Alpha Kenny body. Alpha.
Do you get what it says? Read it.
Sounds so.
Read it. Read it. Read it.
Nah, read it.
Just read it.
What does it say?
It doesn't sound good.
No.
I'll do it.
It's like a fraternity
I'll
place.
do it.
Read it one more time.
Is that where Noah's going?
Yeah, read it one more time.
Say it one more time, Nanai.
Alpha Kenny body.
You will? You will?
I can't buy it.